David Swift, Printhie Wines here in Orange, New South Wales. So we're a viticultural business, I guess an integrated wine business now. Started 25 odd years ago as grape growers, which was just a diversification of other farming enterprises, cattle and crops. Fast forward 25 years, we're now 100% wine business. Certainly in the last 10 years, ag tech and how to implement it has become a far bigger conversation in our business as a way of managing quality and ensuring that we're getting the quality that we need. It doesn't replace, in our mind, it doesn't replace the need to still have that hands-on approach and visual aspect, but it's a wonderful tool for driving those kind of decisions. Where do I need to be? Where do I need to go and look? And that saves time. And time's pretty hard to find these days. We've always been quite progressive. For us, it's been easier to implement ag or technology in other parts of the business. Certainly in the last 10 years, ag tech and how to implement it has become a far bigger conversation in our business as a way of managing quality and ensuring that we're getting the quality that we need. More and more we're being asked, not just as a producer of a finished product, but as a grain grower, you're being asked to quantify your decisions, be that chemical usage, be that fertiliser usage, be that, so starting to document and quantify decision making. You've got to start somewhere. And I made a decision, which is a plug to INCYT, but I made a decision within a matter of weeks that the ag tech that I would use would come from INCYT. The breadth of the offering, but more so for me, it was the vision the view for the future, the importance they place on the robustness and actual in-field testing and durability of those products. I'm really impressed with. I think the main thing that's come from it is it's increased across the business our curiosity of what's possible. I don't think we actually actively thought about solutions for potential or perceived problems until you make that step and make the investment and start the journey. It's impossible to think about what the future looks like.